Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll talk about the OnePlus Nord 2 Amazon ratings versus what is reality happening with this phone. So this is a review which I'm trying to do after using OnePlus Nord 2 from the day 1 to till now. I think 6 days of usage, and during these 6 days, the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive really good ratings. As you can see, 2000 people did rated the OnePlus Nord 2, and out of that, we did get I think close to 4.1 star out of 5 star. I'll to tap, and now we'll be focusing only on the 1-star users, why they did give the 1 star for this OnePlus Nord 2, why it is. So because a lot of users, they did message me in the YouTube, all the comments saying that the OnePlus Nord 2 has got slightly kind of low ratings. Why? So what do you think, what is the reason? So that is what I'm going to check exactly why we got this kind of so much of 9% for the 1 star. So let's start with the first all over comparison. So you can see charging speed has got 4.7 and fingerprint 4.3. Camera quality slightly decreased. I'll try to explain you in which category why it's decreased, and battery life also. Let's explore what are those 1% ratings are. And I did go through a lot of comments, friends. I think 2-3 pages I went to all the comments, and I did find out these are the issues most of the users are actually having. So first issue is obviously the app closing issues. So right now, after the recent software update, we did not face much kind of issues regarding the app closings in the OnePlus or Nord 2 device at this moment. I think on the August 3rd, we did receive the software update. So after that, we did not have any kind of issues with the app cloning, and app closing issues is also not there. I did not experience during this 1 day of use. I did not experience. That's kind of okay. But next is a battery draining. Temperature issues, front camera is not that good in the clarity, and out of storage issues as well sometimes. So first problem is solved after the software update, but next is a battery draining still happening. Yes friends, for most of the users, they did comment the battery draining a lot in this phone. As you can see friends, it's the comments we are seeing in the Amazon website regarding the battery performance. Yes, regarding the battery, even I did experience slightly low battery capacity in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. Not only with the average usage, even with the gaming as well. Even though the phone has got 4000 mAh or 4500 mAh of battery capacity, same like the Realme X1 Max and other phones, it was unable to perform as it is like those phones. Yes, even in the gaming test, even in the normal test, it was unable to perform like the other phones. That's the one thing you may be facing with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's actually true. Yes, battery draining is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2. So we might be able to get that kind of problem fixed with maybe with the next update with regarding the battery draining. So till then, we need to deal with the OnePlus Nord 2 in this way only. Not only that, I'll be keep on updating about the OnePlus Nord 2 every day and a couple of days as well regarding how much the battery is draining. So today morning also I did upload a video on the battery backup on the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see after the recent software update. For this video, under the video, there are so many comments saying that they were unable to get that kind of battery draining. They were unable to get that kind of battery backup. I mean, so that battery is draining a lot. I think overnight there's a drain of 10% and 20%, 15% in draining overnight. So regarding the battery draining, I can definitely accept. And next is the heating issues. Yes, so I did see so many heating problems on the comments. Yes, the phone OnePlus Nord 2 will tend to get heat even with the normal usage as well. You will see a lot of heating happening near this camera part in this section most of the time. Even with if you use normal basic applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, and if you try to use a mobile data during that time, definitely it will try to get heat. So in every video, whatever the test I do, whatever the benchmarks I do, the OnePlus Nord 2 used to be on the top. Yes, exactly. Even just a couple of hours ago, I did upload a video on the Antutu benchmark test today. So as you can see, Antutu benchmark test, even in this video as well, always the temperatures are really high in the OnePlus Nord 2 every time. That's actually true. It's happening. Even with me also, I did experience this kind of high temperatures even when the phone you're trying to use normal usage as well. That is what they are trying to mention, as you can see. So it's up to 44 degrees. Yes friends, it will definitely heat up to 44 degrees. If you try to play the Genshin Impact game, which I'll try to definitely do the testing review as soon as possible, maybe tomorrow on Genshin Impact, you can actually experience that kind of high level heating in the OnePlus Nord 2. It's actually possible. Yes, so that's much of high level. So heating issues and battery draining issues are there in this OnePlus Nord 2. Hopefully they might get fixed with the next software update. And some of the users, they are experiencing this kind of problems, which are the download failed error. As you can see, this is their first day of using the phone, and they are trying to download some of the WhatsApp images or maybe the Google Play Store games. So they are getting this kind of message: download failed. No internal storage is available. As you can see, this is the message they are getting on the day 1, and few of the users. I did see this kind of images in the Amazon as well. Even if you take a look at the Amazon, you will definitely find this kind of images. And even while using the camera, you will get this kind of option which says SD card error, camera is temporarily unavailable. There is no SD card itself in the OnePlus Nord 2, but still you will be getting this kind of message. So next is regarding the camera qualities. Camera quality, I did find kind of backside main camera kind of okay, but the front cam I did not like much in the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm not sure why, but I did not like the front cam a lot in this OnePlus Nord 2. But back cam I did like the night mode shots. Night mode shots are my favorite shots in this OnePlus Nord 2. Apart from that, remaining all the shots, I think it kind of looks good. But I'll try to do the in-depth testing very soon. So stay tuned for those videos. But in terms of the front cam, I'm not happy at all. But night cam shots are really good in this OnePlus Nord 2. So that is what a lot of users they did mention. Camera is kind of average, as you can see. That's the thing. Next problem is also no HD streaming on the Prime and no HDR on the Netflix. As you can see, some of the users already mentioned this kind of thing regarding the no HD support as well. So even the phone supports the L1 certification, but still you cannot play HDR videos on the Netflix. I need to test it, and it's not supported. And Amazon Prime HD is not supported. That is an issue which I was really aware of that. So Amazon Prime HD I cannot use in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's the one thing you should definitely remember before actually buying the device. So friends, this is a quick review on the OnePlus Nord 2, why we got the 4.1 star rating. So these are all the problems. Out of all the problems, I think the main problems are the battery draining and the temperature issues right now we'll be facing, because app closing issue must have been fixed with the recent software update, so you should not be worried. But battery draining and the temperature issues are still existing in the OnePlus Nord 2. Hopefully they might get fixed with the next software update. But only thing is that all the ratings are happening only because of this OnePlus UI is mixing with the ColorOS, Oxygen UI and the ColorOS. That is the reason a lot of negative feedback we are getting on the OnePlus Nord 2. So that's why. So maybe the next software update we might get this kind of things fixed. Let's see what will happen. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your problems with the OnePlus Nord 2. So my problems are the battery draining and the temperature issues in this phone. What are your problems? So that is what I'll definitely see in the comments. And see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.